In Minecraft, building a stable involves several steps to create a secure and functional area for keeping horses. Select a location. Choose a flat area to construct the stable, ensuring enough space to accommodate the stable's design. Gather materials. Collect building materials such as wood, fences, gates, hay bales, and any decorative blocks or materials you want to use. Plan the design. Decide on the size and layout of the stable. Consider incorporating individual stalls for each horse, a feeding area, storage for hay, and a roof for shelter. Construct the frame. Use your chosen materials to create the structure's frame. Use logs or wood blocks for walls and fences to separate individual stalls. Add roof and flooring. Build a roof over the structure using slabs or other roofing materials. Place suitable flooring such as grass blocks, hay bales, or wood planks. Install gates and entrances. Add gates or doors to the stalls for easy access. Ensure they can be opened and closed to contain the horses. Decorate and furnish. Add finishing touches like water troughs, feeding areas, lighting, and decorations to enhance the stable's appearance. Secure the area. Fence the surroundings or add barriers to prevent horses from wandering away.